Environmental locations like national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, Ramsar sites, biodiversity heritage sites, these kind of things. Before we learn about them, we have to learn about few basic facts, like six things that we have to keep in mind before learning about any of them. First is their location, in which state they are located, and within that, if is there any mountain, river is found in that national park or wildlife sanctuary. We have to make a list of them. And then if there is any tribe in that national park or wildlife sanctuary, what is the climatic conditions of it. Then if it is in news, then why it is in news. Like today we will talk about Debragarh wildlife sanctuary. It is in news because of rising the prey density up to 48 per square kilometer. So like this, why it is in news. So we have to, before learning about any of them, we have to keep those things in mind. And today we will learn about Debragarh Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in the western part of Odisha, in the bordering areas of Odisha and Chhattisgarh, and Mahanadi river passes through it, and here it is the Hirakund Dam. So we have to, for location we have to keep in mind, it is located in the western part of Odisha and Mahanadi river and Hirakund Dam over here. So if we look at it clearly, then it is in over here. So Hirakund Dam and Mahanadi river, they are in north eastern part of it, of this wildlife sanctuary. Then second thing, why it is in news, because the prey density has been increased up to 46 animals per square kilometer, which was last year around 28 to 38 preys. And in decades there has tiger has been sighted in it for the first time, and after that it has been declared as a tiger reserve in last year, I think. And so it has been in news continuously. And to protect the wild animals in it, there has been a plan launched which is known as Debragarh 48. Here 48 means the 48 surrounding peripheral villages which are located in that wildlife sanctuary, and they have been taken into the consideration because to reduce the wild animal and man conflict in that region, because it has been on a rise and there are many animals which has been mm, and to keep the villagers informed that not harm animals like wild cats and all. And it has been declared as wildlife sanctuary in 1985, and it is near Hirakund Dam, and it is mainly in Deccan Gangetic Plateau region. And it has and the next thing that we have to talk about is climatic condition and what kind of forest found over there. So it is the dry deciduous forest, and we found many sal trees, uh, Dori, Amla, Bela, Datura, these kind of forests. And this year also the question has been asked in pre about what kind of trees that you can find in that region. So we have to learn about those things and just go through it, and we have to keep those things in mind. These kind of trees are found in dry deciduous forests, these kind of found in tropical regions. And there are many, and one of the main famous thing about this wildlife sanctuary is the many migratory birds also come over here. And it has, when we learn about modern Indian history, then we talk about Sambhalpur district. So where the doctrine of lapse has been imposed by the Dalhousie. So it is also located in the eastern part of this wildlife sanctuary, that district, Sambhalpur district. But this main wildlife sanctuary is located in the Debragarh district of Odisha, and it is also a historically important site because the freedom fighter Bir Surendra Sai, his main base camp was also located in this wildlife sanctuary. And the next thing that we will learn about it, the kind of animals and species found in it, and like spotted deer which is commonly found. Then Indian bison, this is a state animal of Goa and Bihar. It is found in very large numbers. Elephant, that we all know, found in Odisha. Sambar, and four-horned antelope, jackals, nilgai, these are common things that we found mostly. Bear, Shibit. This is a nocturnal animal that mainly activate in the night. Porcupine and superfowl, blue jay. But there one thing that we have to keep in mind, that which of the animals or bird which is migratory, which is not. And there are many large number of the migratory bird that came in Odisha. They mainly found in this wildlife sanctuary, like pintail. And we don't have to remember all the names of these animals, but just we have to keep in mind that pintail is a bird and which is a migratory bird. And shobbler, that we have to keep in mind, the shobbler is a bird and it is a migratory bird. Brahmani duck, godwall, these all are migratory birds that found in this wildlife sanctuary. Saltry is the saltry is mostly found in it. So that's it. So we have to, what we have to keep in mind, like its location, what kind of species are found over there, its climatic conditions, and in which state, if there is any river, mountain is located in it. That's all.